Amazon. Today I have purchased some things and it's here. I'm going to open it soon. Oh god, this was looking too big when I was ordering in Amazon. Okay, I thought but okay, I'm fine. This is the makeup set which I saw, the leather one. Good, compact, good only. I can't carry very big one, right? I have already one big one, so this is fine. But this is looking too big here in Amazon, leather one, right? Hope so. And my makeup set. Yes, I can carry this. I need not carry my TT bag. The makeup set which I was maintaining here, now I will maintain not in TT pouch but in my makeup set. I thought this will be bigger, but good, I'm happy. I already have a makeup box. Can't carry everywhere, right? It's not able to keep it in my box. Traveling trolleys. This traveling trolley, if I keep such a big one, oh god, no chance. This is fine, good purchase. Initially I thought that this will be big, very big. And it's, guess what it is written? Got a tripod too. I'll unfold this. Open up. Let's open and watch how it is being assembled. It's a BATField. But open now. You can see this. Okay, see, super. I have opened it and it's like a pouch. I removed these covers and this has got super. Wow, it's really warm. From Amazon you can get this. This is a makeup set where you can have makeup sets which can be kept compact. You need not worry about the space. Space is quite enormous. Thank you. Let me open my tripod. Right? Let me see whether this is also compact. I actually wanted a bigger one and red. I don't want to say the reds. Reds are here. How much is this? Not written. Yeah, $7.99. Right? And let's open. Open, right? And here. Oh, this is not too tiny, because I always get fold up. Let me see how tall this one is. The tripod, right? And here I have removed the cover. That's my tripod. Okay. Here it is. It can be adjustable. How big this was. I saw it. So this is my tripod. I will use it and then show you this